want to borrow your sythe stone again.
Yeah.
There, want me to take the sythe out there.
Yeah, those were tremendously valuable records, those things. Those were tremendous, those records.
Yeah?
I can get a lot from that. Dates way back to my great-grandfather.
Where you going to cut now?
I'm to clear around the cabin out there. I'll take it back.
Well, when you're coming back, throw the tie on. I want to mow that goddamn thing around here. I can't get down with the damn rigging.
Take it out and mow it now.
Hey, have you got it?
Yeah,
Put that.
Alright, old. I don't believe you're going to cut.
Is it up to a sharp edge now?
No, I don't think so. Right. Cut the lid off it anyway.